BigChange Lightning puts 5 new members of your team to work, from the moment a technician starts their day to the moment you close it out. With BigChange Lightning, you add a business analyst, JustAsk, the conversational intelligence layer that provides real insights instantly, a training and onboarding specialist, Field Ready, a job preparation manager, Job Ready, a documentation administrator, Job Scribe, and a customer summary specialist, Job Brief. Your data already has the answers. Until now, getting to them meant reports, spreadsheets, or a phone call to someone who charges by the hour. JustAsk is the conversational intelligence layer of BigChange Lightning. Ask anything about your business, in your own words, and get the answer instantly. Which technician has the best first-time fix rate this year? How was our profitability for the first quarter, and how does that stack up against last year? Don't wonder. Just ask. Job Ready is your job preparation agent. Before a tech arrives on site, it's already done the homework. Job Ready lives inside the agenda view. You can see everything planned for the day. Tap any number to jump straight to that record. Below the summary, the AI surfaces what actually needs attention. Gate codes, site hazards, customer preferences, job history, visible without hunting through individual records. When they arrive, GPS time tracking automatically prompts the tech to start the clock. When they leave, it reminds them to stop it. You configure the proximity, the message, and who gets the alert. No missed time, no billing disputes, no chasing timesheets. Every dispute, every complaint, every parts discrepancy. It starts, or ends, with the accuracy of the notes. Job Scribe is your documentation agent. It captures critical job details automatically, improving billing, increasing customer satisfaction, and your overall job completion rates. At the end of any job, the AI Notes icon is available directly on the job card. There are 3 note types: work, technician, or site, depending on what needs to be captured. The technician can type, speak, or let the AI generate from what's already been captured on the job. The AI drafts a complete, structured, accurate, professional work note drawn from the labor entries, materials recorded, and job description, simple controls, let the technician shape the note if needed. The next technician who visits this site will see exactly what was found.
Without a summary, your customer gets an invoice and a mystery. They don't know what you did, why you did it, or whether it's done. Disputes go up. Trust goes down. Repeat business suffers. Job Brief is your AI customer summary agent. Using data captured with Job Scribe, Job Brief creates a customer-facing explanation of everything captured during the job: hours, materials, notes, scope. A clear, professional summary ready to send to the customer before the technician has left the driveway. Using two-way messaging, the technician can send the final brief to the customer and respond to the customer's inquiries and feedback in real time. The jobs are done, the notes are written, the customers are briefed. Have a question about how the day went?
Just ask.